child grows up to be somebody who just loves to learn. Another child grows up to be somebody you just love to burn. Mom loved the both of them. You see it's in the blood. Both kids are good to mom. Blood is thicker than mud. It's a family affair. It's a family affair. Family affair. Newlywed a year ago, but you're still checking each other out, yeah. Nobody wants to blow. Nobody wants to be left out. You can't leave 'cause your heart is there, but still you can't stay 'cause you've been somewhere else. You can't cry 'cause you look broke down, but you're crying anyway 'cause your heart broke down. It's a family affair.